If you're wondering which dash cam is actually worth putting in your car right now, stick around. 5 picks covering every type of driver and every budget. All 5 links are in the description. Let's get into it. Welcome to Tech Hack, where we find the smartest buys that actually deliver. 5 dash cams. Let's go. The Garmin X310 is a 4K 30 frames per second HDR front-facing dash cam with a built-in polarizing filter that reduces windshield reflections. A practical hardware feature that eliminates the glare that ruins footage on most competing cameras on bright days. A 2.4-inch touchscreen handles settings directly on the device without needing a phone app. Built-in GPS stamps your speed and location on every clip. The compact design mounts cleanly against the windshield without obstructing the driving view. Voice control triggers recording, saving clips, and taking photos hands-free. Wi-Fi connects to the Garmin Drive app for clip viewing and settings management. Automatic incident detection saves footage when the camera senses a collision or sudden stop. The Vontrue E1 Pro records genuine 4K at 3840 by 2160 through a Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. One of the best low-light imaging sensors, available in any dash cam at this price. Night footage is sharp enough to read license plates clearly in conditions where most dash cams produce blurry, washed-out results. At under $160, it delivers sensor quality that cameras costing significantly more struggle to match. A CPL filter is included in the box for reflection reduction. 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast clip transfers to a smartphone. GPS logs speed and location. An optional LTE module adds connected features for live tracking and cloud backup. At 1.96 inches, it is small enough to mount discreetly behind the rearview mirror. That is linked to in the description. Tap it now. The VO a 329S is a 3-channel 4K 60 frames per second dash cam system, front, rear, and interior, and one of the very few cameras available that records genuine 4K footage at 60 frames per second, rather than the 30 frames per second that most 4K dash cams deliver. Sony Starvis 2 sensors run all 3 channels with HDR processing active on each. A fisheye interior lens captures the complete view across both the driver and passenger windows simultaneously. Wi-Fi 6 handles fast clip transfers. An external SSD connection port supports up to 4 terabytes of extended storage. A unique feature in the dashcam category. Super night vision parking mode delivers clear footage in near darkness when the car is stationary. A vertical lens pivot allows flexible mounting positioning. The 70mm T800 is one of the first dash cams to record genuine 4K resolution on both the front and rear cameras simultaneously. Not front 4K and rear 1080p, but front and rear both in true 4K. 3 Sony Starvis 2 sensors with HDR across all 3 channels deliver footage quality that dashboard camera reviews named their favorite camera as of late 2025. The front camera records at 4K 30 frames per second with an f1.8 aperture for strong low light performance. A built-in battery handles parking mode without a hardwire kit, though the optional hardwire kit extends parking surveillance significantly. 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS are built in. The 70mm app handles clip viewing, live preview, and settings. At $360, the T800 represents the most capable camera bundle on this list for buyers who need front and rear 4K coverage. The Nextbase Pico is the compact, connected dash cam for drivers who want smart features without the full Nextbase IQ price. A 2K QHD recording resolution delivers noticeably sharper footage than standard 1080p cameras in a tiny form factor that mounts almost invisibly behind the rearview mirror. Emergency SOS automatically contacts emergency services and sends your location if the camera detects a serious incident and receives no driver response. A potentially life-saving feature that very few dash cams at this price include. Geo-blocking and live tracking features add fleet management capability for business users. Bluetooth connects to the Nextbase app for clip viewing and camera management. The Pico requires a subscription for its connected smart features, worth factoring into the total cost of ownership. Garmin's most capable 4K dash cam with the X310. Sony Starvis 2 image quality at budget pricing with the Vontrue E1 Pro. Triple 4K 60 frames per second coverage with the Viofo A329S. Front and rear, true 4K excellence with the 70mm T800, and compact smart features including emergency SOS with the Nextbase Pico. All 5 links in the description. I will catch you in the next one.